Hello everyone. I hope that you're enjoying a sun-kissed day like I am today. It's just gorgeous here in Greenwood, and well, I'm just kind of soaking up the last rays of the day here on Sunday. And I wanted to talk about seeds today, briefly about the three kinds: annual, biennial, and perennial, and how it relates to us and God. So our first seeds, of course, would be the annual, and some of the flower seeds are cosmos, and that's an annual seed which you plant, and it grows for 1 year and dies in the frost and freezing weather. And then we have biennial, which are carrots are included in that category, and they last for 2 years. Second year they go to seed, set seed, and then they die. And then we have the third category, and that's perennial. And poppies, Oriental poppies, are perennial, which means they could live forever and ever. And for us as humans, we have lives to live as well, and it can be either a life just for here and now and for ourselves, and that's all that matters, or it could be a life lived for Christ. And we read in 1 Peter 1:23-24, "For you have been born again, not of perishable seed, but of imperishable, through the living and enduring word of God. For all people are like grass, and all their glory is like flowers of the field. The grass withers and the flowers fall." I hope you're rejoicing in the fact that you've been born again and of imperishable seed. God bless you all. Bye for now.